This is kingfisher taking bath in my garden. It visits the bath around same time every day. Its behavior is very interesting, and I'm recording it for several days now. I don't understand why among all the birds they need such baths frequently. Maybe they are used more to aquatic environment. At present they pick up some caterpillars and other worms and small insects, and they miss the fish. There is no fish in this water. It cleans its wings and tries to dry these in the sun. It's very interesting to see how birds groom themselves, because otherwise they can get fungal infection. There are many dangerous fungi around which can grow on feathers and decompose the keratin in the feathers. Such fungi have enzyme called keratinase. So the birds are always afraid of fungal diseases. Many may be dying also. So nicely it is flapping its wings and trying to remove the moisture. Although the wings are supposed to be coated with a waxy layer of material, it's not very protective, I think. Very nicely it is flapping its wings and trying to dry the feathers. But I still suspect that it is sitting there because it wants another dive there. So 5, 6 such dives they take instead of continuously swimming. The water level had gone down yesterday, so I had to fill it up to the brim in the morning, because I knew the kingfishers find it difficult to dive in a shallow uh, bird bath. So I brought the level of the water up to the brim, up to the top, and now it's like a miniature swimming pool, but uh, it's not swimming for a longer time. It just jumps in and immediately it comes out. I don't know whether they can swim. Perhaps it is afraid of drowning also or suffocation, but it has got a correct judgment of how to dive and come out and then sit and flap and dry its wings. I mean, all this is important in ornithology and behavioral ecology of the species, because right now it is a very dry, hot, warm summer, and this is the only source of water for them around several square kilometers. I have not seen a single water body around in the university where these birds can find some sort of comfort. Now, the lag period, that is the time taken by this kingfisher bird between two dives, cannot be predicted because it all depends on its judgment. Sometimes they take bath, dry the wings, and fly away. Now, my prediction is that the kingfisher is still sitting on the same branch for such a long time, probably because it has intention to dive again in the bird bath. Let us see whether it is going to do that. It is almost 5 minutes now I am recording this video, and it's going to be difficult because the memory size of the video is also going to increase in gigabytes. It's a high definition video on my Samsung Note 9 camera. It eats lot of space. So let me record this as first part and then immediately go for another clip that